So the first step for the DNA lab is to mix 1/3 cup of water into this medium mixing bowl. Next, we'll take 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we'll take 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Also, at this point in time, we put the alcohol in the fridge so it can be chilled for a later step. So for the second step of our DNA lab, what we're going to do is we're going to take our fruit, for this case I used a lemon, we'll put it in our Ziploc bag. The next part is we're going to take 3 tablespoons of our new saltwater solution we just made in the previous step. After you've done that, what you do is you'll close off the bag, make sure there's no air in it. And then we'll crush the fruit into a nice paste for about 2 minutes. So after you crush the pulp, your fruit into a nice paste, what you have to do is you have to put it into the strainer and have the concentration fill into the glass. As you can see, it's starting to filter through. So to get as much as we need, we'll take our tablespoon for this instance and we'll go in and we'll try and push out as much concentration as we can. At this point in time, you would go and grab your alcohol out of the fridge to prepare for the next step. Fourth step, what we do is we take 1/2 cup of our alcohol and then we'll pour it into our solution very carefully. And this will prepare us for our 5th step. And final step, after we pour the alcohol into our glass, you can see in the bottom here that the DNA is now all spread out. What we can do is we can take our tweezers in and we can pull out one of those strands of DNA. Like so. It's a little foamy, but at least we have a strand here. It's very long. Now, the reason for this entire experiment is that each step led up to the process. So with our salt water solution, that was the process to help break down the cell membranes of the fruit that we were using. With that, then with the added alcohol into this whole mixture with the paste of the fruit, the alcohol solution then helped draw the DNA out and separating it from the cells, making it much more visible and easier to grab with tweezers.